There are many different types of coffee makers. Buying one that has all the bells and whistles can be expensive. However, there are some things that you should look for when purchasing one. When choosing a coffee maker, it is important to consider the design. Some designs are built for convenience, while others are built to look good. Whether you like the look of a brushed steel finish or a glossy painted exterior, choosing a coffee maker with good looks will make your morning rituals more enjoyable. Here is a great model you should consider. This unit comes with various features, so make sure to read the reviews to see if it fits your needs.
This looks great and special. This is such an easy way to make coffee. I can tell that I will have it forever and will continue to use it. Great buy. The cold drip coffee maker from Cafe Romeo is a great product. It works perfectly and produces very delicious coffee. Next to that, it looks absolutely great on the table, a bit like out of a chemistry lab, but then at the same time like a beautiful and sophisticated design object. I can also recommend the excellent customer service by Madebank/Cafe Romeo as the sellers of the product. Love it so much, bought a second one for my daughter. Very good looking and useful, high quality. This is the best product I found online. Best manual coffee brew product on the market. Extremely versatile. Easily the best way to make larger batches of filtered immersion coffee. Delicious cold brew. Easy to use and to clean. This is exactly what I was looking for. It is a pour over, yet I can also steep the coffee if I like. I can also make cold brew. I have gotten rid of my drip coffee maker, as I can make coffee in under 4 minutes with this. I make a thermos and now take it to work. So much better than the office coffee, and I will save some serious money. Sorry, big national coffee chain. I absolutely love this product and highly recommend it. It is well built and I could not be happier. Nice tool. Love it.